This is Cedar Key in Florida, a Gulf Coast community that is mostly known for some really fine shops and some really fine fishing out here in the Gulf of Mexico. This is where a number of tropical storms and hurricanes have hit over the years. I've been measuring the wind speed, and conditions have changed remarkably here in just the last hour. We've seen wind speeds peak at about 25 miles an hour. We expect the wind speed to pick up beyond that in the next few hours. But let me just show you here, because I was here in 2016 for Hurricane Hermine, and at that time, the Gulf of Mexico came crashing into town with the storm surge, about 3 feet deep of water here, flooding into town and flooding a number of businesses here. It shut down this community for about 3 or 4 weeks as people had to clean up their businesses, restore power, and get ready because of that storm. I will tell you that normally here there are charter fishing boats that are lined up to take tourists out into the Gulf of Mexico for that fishing, and they've moved their boats into town or into the mainland, because in 2016 when Hermine hit, a number of boats ended up in this parking lot, as well as air conditioning units and some debris from buildings that had been blown apart because of that storm. So people here in Cedar Key know to look out for hurricanes. They're keeping a watchful eye on Elsa and hoping that it is no Hermine. In Cedar Key, I'm Jeff Patterson for NewsNation. Now back to you.